Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to enable high contrast mode on Samsung internet. So first you have to do is launch your internet, the browser, and then you tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, tap on settings, and then you scroll down a little bit until you see high contrast mode and turn it on. Now once you get it on, what you to do is to adjust the colors of fonts, backgrounds and other components to make them stand out from the background. So let's see what it looks like. This is an example. You can see it has changed it for me. Now let's see what happens if I open a web page. So this is it for high contrast mode. So you can see how it appears, which is really good. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.